Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. Today, I am going to show you 5 of my favorite quick and easy recipes that I turn to whenever I am pressed for time, or I forget to take meat out of the freezer, or I've just lost track of time. So grab your cup of coffee and join me in the kitchen. These are some pre-seasoned drumsticks I picked up from Costco. I think there were about 28 in the pack. Another place that I like to get pre-seasoned drumsticks is Safeway or Albertsons. It's the kind that has, it looks like paprika on it. They're really, really good. So all I'm doing is I'm just layering them in 2 layers in my air fryer, which I got at Costco. They're going to cook at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and then I will come and rotate them at 10 minutes. To heat my rice, I just add a little bit of water and then put it in the microwave. This is hands down my son's favorite dinner. They would eat this every single night of the week if I let them. These are burrito-sized tortillas. My family loves Taco Bell sauce, so we kind of hoard it. Are you guys the same? This is my favorite way of folding a burrito. I've done it this way for many years, and I like it because it helps to keep all of the insides in the burrito instead of falling out. This dinner came about when my husband was on an extended business trip before we had kids, and I did not want to make dinner for just myself and dirty lots of pans or dishes or otherwise. And so this is what I came up with, and it has been a family favorite ever since. My rice cooker has a steamer basket, so I cook the rice and the salmon at the same time. If yours does not, I would suggest probably cooking the salmon your most favorite way, whether it's baking or sauteing or whatever. And if you don't have a rice cooker, you can use minute rice, or you can make rice on the stovetop, however you want to do it and however your family likes it. These salmon are straight from the freezer, though I would suggest letting them thaw before cooking them. Typically like teriyaki sauce on this. This is our favorite brand, but since I don't have very much left of it, I was going to make my own sauce. I do this sometimes, and typically I just use whatever I have on hand. Today it was the leftover teriyaki from the jar, soy sauce, chili paste, marmalade, and honey. And I just combine it until I think it tastes good. I'm going to preheat my pan here over medium-high heat with some oil. I'm going to deglaze with some chicken broth to get all of those extra yummy bits off the pan. Don't be like me. I goofed here and forgot to oil the bottom of the pan and also the grate. Definitely with the fish tacos, you're going to want to oil those, otherwise they will stick really bad, which mine ended up doing, but they still taste good. I am making an avocado cream sauce. We had some guacamole on hand, so it takes half a cup of guac, a quarter cup of half and half or heavy cream if that's what you prefer, and then you mix it to combine. I also added some of the green Cholula to it to give it a little extra kick. If you don't have guac or you don't have avocados, you don't need to make this. This was just something that was a little extra. For the lettuce part of these tacos and burritos, I am using coleslaw. This is sweet chili sauce. I hope you've enjoyed these simple suppers, and if you give them a try, let me know. I'm on most social medias and I would love to connect with you. And until I see you in the next video, take care.